How to delete Facebook page. First, open the Facebook application and make sure that you have switched into your Facebook page. If you have not done that, tap on these 3 lines and you can switch from here as well. So as you can see, I'm already in my Facebook page. Now you want to tap on the settings option, which is the gear icon. Now in settings, you want to tap on page settings. Over here, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to find the option that says access and control. It is under Facebook page information. Tap on that option. And here you will find deactivation and deletion. So tap on that. Here you can choose whether you want to deactivate page or delete page. Tap on delete page and continue. After this, you can also choose the reason why you want to delete it. So you can choose any reason, then tap on continue. After this, over here, you can go through all of this, permanently delete page options, and then tap on continue. After this, you need to enter your password to confirm that it is your page. And once you have entered the password and tap on continue, your Facebook page will be deleted. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.